Hi, welcome back to our channel. This ride starts in the little burg of Glacier, Washington, as we ride up Highway 542, or otherwise known as the Mount Baker Highway. We end up at the Mount Baker ski area, and we would have gone a bit further up to Artist Point, but it happened to be closed that day, and I'm guessing it might be closed due to COVID, but I have no idea. Anyway, it was a beautiful day for a ride. It was clear, crisp, and cooler than it was in the lowlands, which was 88 to 90. And around here, that's pretty hot in the Pacific Northwest. So we enjoyed being up in the mountains that day. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for following along. I may have to pass this joker. Okay, I think this is the start of the uphill. So there's some pretty tight corners up here that always make me nervous, but always been able to do them before. do what I learned from the Street Masters. Oh, this one isn't that bad. Okay. It was worse than that. Okay. See on the inside. Let's see. Fucking A. Just always thankful there's no car there. But there's another one. I can practice again. Okay, here comes another one. Yep, I see those bikes behind us. That wasn't bad at all. We haven't been up here skiing for like, what, 30 years? Probably. Yeah. Road closed. Oh. I don't think I need to go up there then. Well, we turned back. There was no bathrooms open up there, and Artist Point is apparently closed, so there's really no point in going up there any further. So I think we're going to bomb it back down and try to find a coffee and a bathroom down in probably Glacier. Ways to go.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. He kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up you'll